Hello there and welcome to my channel. Today we will be making this yogurt custard tart that contains absolutely no added sugars or fats. The shell is made of oats and bananas to give you a boost of fiber, and the filling is made from creamy yogurt and egg yolks. Whether enjoyed for breakfast, as a snack, or as a dessert, this recipe is a must-try, so let's get started. The ingredients you will need are 1 medium banana, 3/4 cup quick cooking oats, 2 small cartons of vanilla yogurt, 2 large egg yolks, and a 1/4 teaspoon ground cinnamon. First, let's make the tart shell. Start by mashing your banana in a bowl. Now to your mashed banana, add in your oats and your cinnamon. Mix together until it turns thick and dough-like. If you feel that your mixture is too liquidy, you can add in more oats until the consistency is right. Prepare 4 tart trays or cupcake pans. Evenly divide your oats into 4 portions to make 4 shells. Press and mold the oats into the shape of the pan. And the tart shells are complete. Bake them in the oven at 350 Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, let's make the custard filling. To your yogurt, add in your 2 egg yolks and mix them until well incorporated. And the custard is complete too. Now let's wait for the tart shells to finish baking. Once the tart shells are ready, you can fill them in with the custard. You do not have to wait for the tart shells to cool down first, so you can do so immediately after they finish baking to save time. Return your tarts to the oven and continue baking at 350 Fahrenheit for another 25 to 30 minutes. And you're done! Let the tarts cool down for a bit first, but enjoy them best while they're fresh. I hope you guys found the recipe helpful, and please remember to like and subscribe. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye bye!